Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Facts. Today we're diving into the future and discussing the 5 must-learn skills in 2025. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to stay ahead, these skills will be essential for success in the coming years. So let's jump right in. First up, we have digital literacy. In 2025, being digitally literate will be more important than ever. This means not just knowing how to use technology, but understanding how to navigate the digital landscape safely and effectively. From online communication to data privacy, mastering these skills will set you apart in any field. Next, we have emotional intelligence. As workplaces become more collaborative, the ability to understand and manage your emotions, as well as empathize with others, will be crucial. This skill will help you build better relationships and navigate social complexities in both personal and professional settings. Coming in at number 3 is critical thinking. With the vast amount of information available, being able to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information will be key. In 2025, employers will be looking for individuals who can think critically and solve problems creatively. The 4th skill on our list is adaptability. The world is changing rapidly, and the ability to adapt to new situations and challenges will be essential. Whether it's learning new technologies or adjusting to new work environments, being adaptable will help you thrive in any situation. Finally, we have data literacy. In 2025, understanding data will be a game changer. This skill involves not just knowing how to read and interpret data, but also how to use it to make informed decisions. Whether you're in marketing, finance, or any other field, being data literate will empower you to back your ideas with solid evidence and insights. So there you have it. The 5 must-learn skills in 2025. Digital literacy, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, adaptability, and data literacy. By focusing on these skills now, you'll be well prepared for the future job market and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. What skills do you think will be important in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.